Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can design Instagram story. So you can see that's the website here, designhill.com. So you can create a lot of design using this website, okay? But in this tutorial, we will learn how we can design Instagram story. So first you need to go to the service option and you can see the studio. You just need to click on it and you can see try for free, right? So we just need to click on this try for free option. You can see there are a lot of designs here, like so just click on try for free and then you have to sign up with your Google account, Twitter account or Facebook account. So I already have one account, so you can see that's the dashboard. Okay, now we are going to create your Instagram story. So you can see there are a lot of categories. Okay, you can design a lot of things like Instagram post, poster, Facebook cover, YouTube thumbnail. Now let's create Instagram story here. Okay, so we just need to click on this. You can see Instagram story. Okay, just click on it. So you can see there are a lot of designs here. You can see there are templates and there are a lot of predefined designs here. Okay, so you can choose any one design here. Okay, and you just need to modify this design to use. So let me just choose one here. So I'm to choose here this one. Okay, this one. So let me just select this one here. Okay, fine. And now let me just if you want to change this one picture, okay, so let me just change this picture. So in the left side you will find photos option, click on it and just select some food or just type your food like this. Okay, and you just need to, you can see there are a lot of type of food. So let me just replace this one image with another one. We just need to delete this one image, okay, and select this one, make it resize this one and then make it here in a center like this. Fine. Okay, and now you can change this one also like this. And now if you want to change your text, you just click on this text and you can add on some more text here. Like if you want to add some timing here, so let me just put timing here 70 a.m, something like that. Okay, fine. So you can change the text, you can change picture, and you can add on more things like elements. So in the left side you will find elements option and you can see there are a lot of shapes like if you want to add some this one hand something like this, you just need to make it in a proper size here and then make it more smaller like this. And let me change this color to something yellow. Yes, yes, this fine like this, right? Now you can add a lot of more thing like you can add icons also here. You can see there are a lot of icons here, and if you want to add some social media icons like this, like just click on this Facebook icon and make it smaller, and you can add this one to show people that we are in Facebook, Insta, and there are a lot of social media we are in. And you just need to change this icon color if you wish. Okay, it's according to your requirement. Like so I'm to make it white, so it's look pretty fine like this. Okay, you can add more icon here, more social icon here, like, and you can if you want to add, there are a lot of there are a lot of icons here. You can see here there's a time, so you can add here timer, time related icon like this one. Okay, simply, and you just need to put this one here and you can change this color to something white or something like this, right? So that's all Instagram story post, right? Okay, now how we can save this and how we can download this. So you can see untitled, you just need to put your Insta story name, okay, and you can put here and just click on save. Okay, like this. You can download this image directly from this download button. Okay, Click on this download button and you can see the file type. You should select PNG. This one is high quality image, but if you want a small file size, so you should use JPG. So I'm going to use a PNG and click on download. And you can see that's your story post here, right? Fine, simply, right? So that's all about it. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.